and you'll be
to this fall Scratch Challenge. Okay, so welcome to the fall 2015 Scratch Challenge for Baden Academy, the orbits of Roald Dahl's moons. Oh, and I'm going to let you explain this scene.
Hello, Baden Academy. This is the first 2015 Scratch Challenge. In the second Charlie and the Chocolate Factory book, Charlie and Mr. Wonka visit the massive space hotel, but they see something odd. The moon isn't rotating correctly. Can you make the moon rotate? Remember, every time the moon orbits, it has to be in a different phase. The president, Lancelot R. Gilligrass himself, will reward you with 20 points.
If you are brand new to programming and using Scratch, there are some easy ways that you can earn points. The first is you can choose this sprite of Charlie and Mr. Wonka, and you can go ahead and do some editing of this sprite and clean it up a little with an eraser. You can add another planet by adding a new sprite and drawing one. You can place a Milky Way or a starry sky in the background, so we can go into the backdrop and we can add a new backdrop. If you're looking for more of a challenge, you can read the book Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator by Roald Dahl, and you can add to the Scratch programming some story elements. So you might have some dialogue come in from the president, or possibly you could program in a vermicious Nid to come attacking the space hotel. You can also dress this up with some gaming elements. You can do a choose your own adventure for the participant to play or scratch through. You can play a horde type game or a maze game or a chasing game. All of these tutorials are out there for you to use. And if you want to create more of a gaming environment out of the orbits of Roald Dahl's moons, that is one of the ways you can earn points. You can also record sound in Scratch, and so you can go into one of your sprites or into the background, and you can click on sounds and add a sound and record your voice like Mr. McLaughlin did.
and you'll be
You can program that voice to appear when the original green flag is pressed. And so we'll play. Did we name our sound? So let's name it Imagination. And let's program it to play when the green flag is pressed.
come with
All right, so you can record your own audition piece for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, add it in as a sound to earn some points. If you're ready to get down to business, the primary challenge is to take this small moon, and if you want to redraw it and draw a different type of moon in there, you can. But if you're in that moon, you want to be able to create 8 different copies of that moon in which you are doing different phases of the moon. Each time it does an orbit, you want it to be in a different phase. All of you are familiar with the 8 phases of the moon: the new moon, the waxing crescent, the first quarter. I know it looks like a half, doesn't it? But it's actually called the first quarter. The waxing gibbous, the full moon, the waning gibbous, the third quarter phase, the waning crescent phase, and back to the new moon. So tutorials will be available for you. Feel free to ask any questions, and hopefully I might even see your class down in the Media Lab to work on some of these Scratch challenges. If not, please do them during recess and breaks, and try to do them at home with a parent's help. Good luck!